What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for our sample of our new preset series. This specifically focuses on our Pro Tools rap and hip hop template compatible with stock plugins. Let's get into it.
Combat, this a banger, huh?
Alright, awesome. So when you first download your sample pack, you guys are going to get this folder right here. This is the preset. It's the full template that opens up. You're going to have the whole template right there. And also has a readme right here. The readme pretty much shows you this tutorial right here, as well as a little discount for you guys. So the first thing we're going to do is double click on this. And then this dashboard should pop up right here. We have our name. We're just going to title this example 1 aggressive just for now. We have our wave file type, which is good. Sample rate's 48, bit depth 24. I usually go between 24 and 32. I recommend 24 for you guys. IO is last used, interleaved, and then location, just put whatever location you guys want to have this folder. And then you just hit create. So when you hit create, you guys are gonna have this whole session right here. These stems aren't gonna be here. I already had this ready for this video. Pretty much you guys see we have the full template right here. We have the beat, the recording track, our verse lead, double ad-libs, as well as a verse vox sub. Then we have our hook lead, hook double, hook ad-libs, our hook vox sub, our reverb, New York compression, and delay. We also have some stuff on the master channel just to enhance it just a little bit more. Now, what's really cool about this template is it's super easy. So literally you guys record right here on this track. So if you had your vocals right here, you would then just drag and drop down, and then if it to the corresponding track. So if it's a lead, a double, let's say you just record your lead, boom, you drop it down. Let's say you record your double, boom, drop it down. Let's just say you record your ad-lib track, drop it down. Super easy. And if you guys have any issues with the outputs or inputs or anything like that, just make sure you guys go to setup IO, and then you guys just hit default right here, and it should automatically get you right back to how you guys were. Hit OK. If you guys have any latency issues, it could be a sample rate thing. Just go to playback engine. Just make sure you change this to 128 samples, maybe 64 or maybe 256, but I recommend 128. When you guys are mixing or bouncing out, I would recommend the 1024 samples, 1024. So the first thing you guys want to do once you guys are ready is you guys are either going to want to import your vocals or your beat. So all you guys got to do is just go over here to file. You guys go to import and then audio. Another easy way is Command Shift I and then import your beat like that. Cool. So I'm gonna mute these ad-libs right here, and once you get your beat in and everything, let's just say you guys just recorded these vocals. I'm gonna play these dry just to show you guys.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me. Apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me. She trying to kick it, so I tell her go and do Tai Chi.
Awesome. So that was the dry version. Let's just say you guys just recorded that right there. Now all we have to do is just drag this down. Super easy. Let's hear that.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me. Apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me. She trying to kick it, so I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping about the field, but they was never there.
Awesome. So you guys could definitely hear the difference between the dry version and our preset version right here. This sample version is actually the aggressive version of the preset of the whole bundle that we have. Now the other three, it's going to go from, these are the aggressive Bay Area vocals. Then we also have clean LA crisp vocals, as well as New York warm drill vocals. So depending on the three different types of tones you guys want, we have all different templates for those. Next, I'm going to play out the ad-libs. Let's just say you just recorded some ad-lib tracks. Let's hear that.
With a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me. She trying to kick it, so I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping about the field, but they...
Now let's move it down to the ad-libs right here. Let's hear that.
They should be playing with a nigga like me. Apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington fake me. She trying to kick it, so I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping about the field, but they was never there. I'm here.
Awesome. So you guys could definitely hear the difference between the dry ad-libs and then the wet ad-libs, these mixed versions. Big difference. If you guys need any help with gridding the beat or getting the tempo right or anything like that, I actually have more videos on my YouTube that just pretty much goes into great detail of how to properly grid your whole song, how to properly find the tempo, all that good stuff. And if you guys want to mess with the template a little bit, by all means, please do so. If you guys are getting any type of latency while recording, you guys could just hit right click and inactivate these right here and then reactivate them after before you bounce. You guys could raise or lower the main vocals like this. If you guys want to lower or raise like the overall vocals for the verses, you guys could just use this right here. I'll play it out.
With a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington hate me, she tryna kick it. So I tell her go and do.
So another thing is, if you guys are like punching in or anything and you guys need to duplicate the track, it's super easy just to click and then right click, hit duplicate. You guys could choose which ones you guys want checked or not. Usually I keep those first two off. And then you guys could just go back and forth with that right here. Super easy. All this pretty much comes in the sample pack right here. It just comes with the one preset. Now, if you guys did want to upgrade to the full version with the 2 other presets and templates, I'm gonna open those up just to show you guys what it sounds like. All right, so this one right here is the crisp vocals. I'm gonna bring this up over here so you guys can hear the dry, the before and after. Let's hear it.
Don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington hate me, she tryna kick it. So I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping.
Now let's hear with the mixed version.
I don't think they should be playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington hate me, she tryna kick it. So I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping about the feel.
Awesome. So that's the crisp vocals right there, the LA crisp vocals. Now let's go to the warm vocals of the same set. Let's see. I'm gonna play this out.
Playing with a nigga like me, apply pressure. That's why these niggas don't like me. I'm a hustler. Baby Blue Huntington hate me, she tryna kick it. So I tell her go and do Tai Chi. They be rapping.
Now, another reason why you would want these different tones, besides just having that like different tones for your different songs and everything, is also your setup at home. So if you guys have like a cheaper mic that's maybe more on, it's like super warm, the crisp vocals presets will really help bring out the more high ends of your vocals. If your mic has like a TLM 103 or something like that, it has a lot of highs to a lot of tinniness, the warm preset would help a lot with those highs and just kind of like tone it down a little bit. Besides it being a tone thing, it could also help with the recording setup and all that stuff. Awesome. So that pretty much concludes our tutorial over here. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you guys like what you're hearing with the templates and presets, please check us out on www.infinitrhythmpresets.com. You can check out the full version of this presets and templates, as well as our other series, our clear vocal presets. And we also have an expansion pack dropping soon for telephone effects. So for different ad-libs, different type of main vocals takes, all that good stuff. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Instagram at combat_K. I'll make sure I'll put the link in the description. And if this video helped you guys out, please like, comment, and subscribe, because that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.